Welcome to my beginner level course in music production using BandLab. In this course, we will be producing this piece of video game music to go with this retro 80s platformer video game, Robot Miner. We'll be using the tool BandLab. It's an online digital audio workstation, and you can see our tune here. We've got several components to it. We're going to have a percussion track. We're going to have some chords. We're going to have a bass line. And we're going to have a tune. If you want to hear the music in its entirety, or even if you want to play the video game that we're going to put the music on, you can go to almosttooeasy.it.io. The music is in the asset pack there, and the game, if you want to play that and hear the music in its natural location, you can play it there. We're going to learn a bit of theory in the early part of the course, but if you know that already, or if theory isn't your thing, please feel free to skip ahead to the BandLab videos. They're pretty easy to identify from the titles. Otherwise, if you're a complete beginner, stick around. I believe that you'll learn all the theory that you need, and by the end of the course, you will be competent not only to produce the music that I've produced here, but to create and produce your own music using BandLab. I hope to see you in the next section.